Hi, today we will be unboxing and reviewing Andoer EH-5A. This AC power adapter can replace this battery, this EL14. It is a nice tool for long-time camera shooting. No need to change battery in occasions such as video, broadcast, studio, filming, etc. It is fully coded, plug and use directly. This power adapter Andoer EH-5A can fit into Nikon D5100, D5200, D5300, D5500, D5600, D3100, D3200, D3300, D3400, DF Coolpix, P7000, P7100, P7700, and P7800. So without further ado, let's go and unbox and review this item. Ayan. Here we go with our package. As you can see, walang punit, malinis. Walang butas. Everything is sealed. Ito yung seal niya. Nakakabilib din to Kasi usual na nakukuha ko is punit-punit or kusot-kusot, may butas. So shout out to the seller. Tsaka sa delivery guy. So buksan na natin. We don't need to use any knife or cutter kasi matipis lang plastic. May bubble wrap sa loob ng plastic. At nakalagay lang yung item sa cardboard box. Okay. We have 3 parts. First one is the power supply. The second one is the adapter and the power cable. Yun lang. Yun lang kasimple. 3 parts lang siya. This whole unit is worth 1,230 pesos including delivery fee. And I purchased this item sa Shopee. Dumating ang item na ito noong second week na February 2022. So, titignan natin kung okay yung wiring. May cut ba, may butas, whatever. May problema sa adapter, sa wiring, any fold or crack. So far, wala naman. It is good. And now, the power supply. Pinaka-importanting part ng item. Which is in mint condition. Ayan. Sobrang gaan lang siya. Yung wiring niya, hindi ganun kakapal. But I think pang ano lang naman, pang indoor lang to. Tuwing nag-gaming lang or gumagawa ng tutorial. Importante kasi na while you're shooting a video, maiwasan yung mga pagkakataon na nalulobat ka, mawawalan ng power, upang hindi mawala yung momentum mo. Sakto lang yung parts ng original battery compared sa adapter. Yung walang wire, Nikon battery yan. Yan yung original battery ng pinurchase ko yung DSLR. Let us untie this power box. Ito, nakita niyo yung specs. Then we will plug it in. Is it working? Moment of truth. Here we go. Whoop. Green light. which is a very good sign. Plug in na rin natin yung wiring through the adapter. And the adapter going in to the DSLR. Ayan. Perfect fits. And nag-on po siya. So far so good. Oh wait, wala siyang memory card. Wait lang. Kukuha lang ako ng memory card para matest natin. Ayan na po. SD card through the slot. And yeah, okay siya. So ready na po ang ating DSLR for a very long recording. So, i-review naman natin yung materials. Medyo manipis yung casing ng ating power box. And yung power cable, I must admit, medyo manipis siya. But that's what we get when medyo cheap yung product na binili natin. Pati yung adapter wire, medyo manipis. So, hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal itong item na ito. Paabot pa siya ng 1 year, 2 years. Pero sa tingin ko, kung masinop ka namang gumamit, tatagal din naman tong item na ito. Basta wag lang parating iro-rolyo yung wire. Dahil yun ang weakness ng wire nyo. Kapag parating mong iro-rolyo, ang tendency, nag-break yan sa loob. Okay? Teka, nakapag-subscribe ka na ba? Pa-click naman nang matulungan naman itong channel ka. At para lalo kong ma-inspire na gumawa ng mga video na tulad na to. At kung may mga nakalimutan man akong pointers sa review na to, don't hesitate to comment down below. Thank you!